Hi guys, it's Peter here in Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland, day 193. Would you believe? I didn't think I was going to get up to that number, but here we are. Anyway, today is Monday the 17th of November, I think, and just been chatting to the guys who've been doing my engine here at Keppel Bay, and looks like we go for tomorrow. So they just did doing some little things today, and also the propeller arrived. It has prop speed on it, and they're going to attach that tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. I'm due to splash it around about 9:30. So yeah, basically looking at getting there probably about 9ish, because my friends kindly loaned me the car, so I can drive myself to Keppel Bay Marina, walk around to the hard, I want to say the hard stand, but yeah, that'll do, where the boat is. That's probably right, actually, but anyway, yeah, so go around there so I can basically get some footage of Doxie in her new state, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. Didn't get there today. There was really no point. Nothing we could do. Nothing was, well, things were happening, but all I'd do was get in the way. So I thought, just leave it be. So anyway, I have booked my Marina berth for tomorrow night. The intention is basically to spend one night on the Marina and then leave early on Wednesday morning, possibly not long after 4 a.m. Bearing in mind Queensland doesn't have daylight saving time, so the sun is actually just about coming up at that time, or it's certainly light enough to see where you're going. Get a good jump and use the daylight as much as possible. First stop, I'm intending it to be Cape Capricorn. We will see if the progress is quicker than I expect. Then I may actually push on to go to Facing Island, just across from Gladstone. So, but yeah, I'm obviously not going to push it too hard, but if the progress warrants it, then hey, why not use it? So yeah, that is the loose plan for tomorrow. Once the boat goes in the water tomorrow, we'll be doing the commissioning tests, sea trials, basically to test that everything's clicking. Well, things that are supposed to click. Obviously, things that are not supposed to click, we'll be paying attention to. But yeah, just basically making sure that everything's bedded down and working correctly. So that is where we're at the moment. Yeah, I guess this morning I had a nice walk on the beach. It was a bit cloudy, but it was actually quite nice. So I'll leave you with that basically, because it's probably the last time I'll do it. So anyway, thank you for following along and all your supportive comments. It means more than you think. It really does. So yeah, it's been quite an emotional time. Ups and downs, and just anxiety about what's going to happen next. What's going to happen? So yeah, there's been plenty of that. Anyway, we are getting through it, and we're going to be on the way again soon, and I'm looking forward to sharing videos of that. So this is Dawn Raider, out.